Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, please sit down.
What's your name?
My name is Lisa.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
Do you live here?
Yes, I live here.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How's your day?
Very good, thanks.
Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved here.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Do you have family?
Yes, a big family.
How many brothers?
I have 2 brothers.
Any sisters?
1 sister.
Where do they live?
They live in Tokyo.
Are your parents working?
Yes, they both work.
Do you live with family?
Yes, with my parents.
Have any pets?
Yes, 1 dog.
Do you see family often?
Yes, every weekend.
Family dinner together?
Yes, every evening.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every morning.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
Do you have lunch breaks?
Yes, at 12 p.m.
What do you eat for lunch?
Usually a sandwich.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym.
What time do you have dinner?
At 7 p.m. usually.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading books.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
How often do you exercise?
3 times a week.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Can you play an instrument?
Yes, I play guitar.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, in the evening.
Favorite TV show?
I like comedy show.
Do you like movies?
Yes, especially action movies.
Weekend hobbies?
I like hiking.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Can you cook?
Yes, simple dishes.
Do you cook often?
Yes, every evening.
Where do you eat lunch?
At work cafeteria.
Like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
Favorite restaurant?
Italian restaurant.
Eat breakfast daily?
Yes, very important.
What's for dinner?
Usually rice and chicken.
Like fast food?
Sometimes on weekends.
Drink coffee?
Yes, every morning.
Where do you shop?
At the mall usually.
How often shop?
Once a week.
Like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Shop online?
Yes, very convenient.
What do you buy?
Clothes and food.
Favorite store?
The bookstore.
Use credit card?
Yes, most times.
Go shopping alone?
No, with friends.
Best shopping time?
Weekend mornings.
Like sales?
Yes, good prices.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny today.
Like summer?
Yes, I love summer.
Favorite season?
I like spring best.
Is it cold?
No, it's warm.
Does it rain often?
Sometimes in spring.
Like snow?
Yes, winter is beautiful.
Weather tomorrow?
It will be cloudy.
Need umbrella?
Yes, might rain.
Too hot today?
Yes, very hot.
Good weather for walking?
Yes, perfect day.
How go to work?
I take the bus.
Have a car?
No, I don't drive.
Like driving?
No, prefer bus.
Bus or train?
Train is faster.
Walk often?
Yes, short distances.
Ride bicycle?
Sometimes on weekends.
Far from home?
About 30 minutes.
Take taxi?
Only at night.
Morning commute?
Usually crowded.
What's your job?
I'm a hairstylist.
Like your job?
Yes, very much.
Work long hours?
8 hours daily.
Good colleagues?
Yes, very friendly.
Office or home?
Work at office.
Study English?
Yes, every day.
Hard work?
Sometimes difficult.
Need experience?
Yes, very important.
Good salary?
Yes, quite good.
Future plans?
Want promotion.
Exercise often?
3 times weekly.
Go to gym?
Yes, after work.
Play sports?
Yes, basketball.
Eat healthy?
Try to, yes.
Sleep well?
Yes, 8 hours.
Take vitamins?
Yes, every morning.
Feel tired?
Sometimes yes.
Like running?
Yes, in park.
Morning exercise?
Yes, before work.
Health checkup?
Once yearly. Have a smartphone?
Yes, an iPhone.
Use internet often?
Yes, every day.
Like social media?
Yes, use Instagram.
Watch YouTube.
Yes, many videos.
Send emails?
Yes, for work.
Play games?
Sometimes, on phone.
Have computer?
Yes, at home.
Use Wi-Fi?
Yes, at home.
Download apps?
Yes, useful ones.
Video calls?
Yes, with family.
What's your hobby?
I like painting.
Free on weekends?
Yes, usually free.
Morning person?
Yes, wake early.
Evening plans?
Watch TV, relax.
Meet friends?
Yes, on weekends.
Visit parks?
Yes, for walking.
Coffee shops?
Yes, every morning.
Take photos?
Yes, love photography.
Travel often?
During holidays.
Weekend trips?
Sometimes, nearby places.
Many friends?
Yes, good friends.
Best friend?
Yes, from school.
Like parties?
Small parties, yes.
Meet new people?
Yes, at work.
Social events?
Sometimes go.
Group activities?
Yes, with friends.
Close to family?
Yes, very close.
Phone calls?
Daily with family.
Weekend plans?
Meet friends usually.
Dinner parties?
Once a month.
Like traveling?
Yes, love travel.
Where go often?
Beach places.
Travel alone?
With friends usually.
Stay in hotels?
Yes, nice ones.
Take photos?
Yes, many photos.
Long trips?
1 week usually.
By plane?
Yes, prefer flying.
Holiday plans?
Going to Spain.
Pack heavy?
No, pack light.
Travel budget?
Save for trips.
Live alone?
With family.
Big house?
Medium size.
Like cooking?
Yes, cook daily.
Clean often?
Yes, every day.
Have garden?
Small garden.
Quiet area?
Yes, very quiet.
Nice neighbors?
Yes, very friendly.
Watch TV?
In evenings.
Do laundry?
Every weekend.
Like your home?
Yes, very much.
Future goals?
Study abroad.
Career plans?
Want promotion.
Save money?
Yes, every month.
Study more?
Yes, evening classes.
Marriage plans?
Not yet.
Move house?
Maybe next year.
Change jobs?
Happy now.
Learn skills?
Yes, languages.
Buy car?
Saving for it.
Long term?
Own business. Are you shy?
A little shy.
Like talking?
Yes, with friends.
Patient person?
Usually patient.
Get angry?
Not very often.
Feel happy?
Most times, yes.
Work hard?
Yes, very hard.
Help others?
Yes, when possible.
Make friends easily?
Yes, quite easily.
Like changes?
Sometimes difficult.
Stay positive?
Try to, yes.
Why learn English?
For better job.
Study daily?
Yes, 1 hour.
Watch English TV?
Yes, with subtitles.
Read English?
Easy books.
Practice speaking?
With friends.
Like grammar?
Sometimes hard.
Use dictionary?
Yes, often.
Take classes?
Twice weekly.
Homework daily?
Yes, every evening.
Feel progress?
Yes, getting better.
Feel good today?
Yes, very good.
Often stressed?
Sometimes stressed.
What makes happy?
Friends and family.
Feel tired?
After work, yes.
Miss home?
Sometimes miss home.
Like your life?
Yes, quite happy.
Feel lonely?
Not usually.
Get nervous?
In new situations.
What worries you?
Work deadlines.
Feel confident?
Most times, yes.
Like this city?
Yes, very much.
Big city?
Yes, quite big.
Good transport?
Yes, many buses.
Nice parks?
Yes, beautiful parks.
Many shops?
Yes, shopping easy.
Good restaurants?
Many choices.
Feel safe?
Yes, very safe.
Traffic bad?
Morning traffic bad.
Good neighbors?
Yes, very friendly.
Like downtown?
Yes, interesting place.
Have new friends?
Yes, from work.
Meet often?
Every weekend.
Where meet?
At coffee shops.
Same age?
Yes, about same.
Share interest?
Yes, like sports.
Group activities?
Play basketball together.
Trust friends?
Yes, good friends.
Long friendship?
2 years now.
Plan trips?
Yes, sometimes.
Best friend?
Yes, from school.
Use phone much?
Yes, every day.
Send messages?
Many messages daily.
Call family?
Every evening.
Video chat?
On weekends.
Write emails?
For work only.
Social media?
Yes, use often.
Prefer calling?
Yes, then typing.
Group chats?
With close friends.